Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi Sundar, and in my channel, I often talk about breath, mental health, and occupational well-being with neuroscience backed up evidences. Today, I'm going to dive into a fascinating world of human brain. Why do we often chase pleasure, mistaking it for happiness? Stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to distinguish between the two and how it impacts our mental health. Before I could further dive in, if you're not already done, please do hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified on my weekly content. Without any further ado, let's dive in. From eating our favorite treats to thrill of shopping spree, our lives are filled with moments of pleasure. But are these moments really making us happy? Let's start with the basics. Pleasure and happiness are two different things. Pleasure is that immediate, short-lived feeling of enjoyment we get from a specific activities. It's like a sugar rush from your favorite candy. Happiness, on the other hand, is more enduring state of well-being and contentment. Think of it as a long-term satisfaction you get out of living a meaningful life. So, why do we chase pleasure? It's all about our brain's reward system. When we do something pleasurable, our brain releases a dopamine pathway, a reward system, which I've spoken in many of my previous videos. So dopamine, a neurotransmitter, makes us feel good and encourages us to repeat that behavior. This dopamine-driven reward system evolved to help our ancestors to survive, like seeking food, sex, and other immediate rewards was crucial for survival. But in today's world, this can lead to problems. Our modern environment is full of instant gratifications, social media likes, binge watching shows, junk food. These give us a quick kind of hit of pleasure, but they don't necessarily make us happy, do they? So, what's the difference and why it matters to our mental health? Pleasure is short-lived and linked to a specific stimuli. It feels good in the moment, but don't last long. Happiness, though, is more stable and comes from within. It's not from external stimuli. It is not linked to either someone appreciating you or someone actually giving you something which you like or something of that sort, which is making you pleasurable. It's all linked to external, and it is actually not for a long term. It can exist at any moment. So it's about happiness. It's about all about the life satisfaction and meaningful connections you have. So talking about the neurological basis, I mentioned pleasure is from the dopamine reward system. What about the happiness? Happiness engages a broader area. It includes our prefrontal cortex and also the neurotransmitters like serotonin and oxytocin. Research shows that sustainable happiness comes from practices like mindfulness, gratitude, and building meaningful relationships. These activities engages different parts of our brain and leads to a long-term well-being and success in our life. Prayer is one form of mindfulness and meditation. Many cultures have incorporated prayer in their practices. Like in Hindu culture, prayer is a must, and in a Muslim culture and a Christian culture. If you're talking about different religions, every religion have the prayer as a part of their cultural ethical practices, but their frequency might differ. However, it has a good impact on our mental health and creates a habit of focus and concentration. For example, I pray 2 times in a day, morning and evening, and my nighttime routine is expressing gratitude or writing journal or trying to express gratitude verbally to my kids. So that actually helps your mind to be more focused in the moment and feel content and happy. Think of quick pleasure as a temporary painkiller that provides immediate pain relief but doesn't address the root cause of the pain. The true happiness, on the other hand, is like a comprehensive treatment plan. It might involve lifestyle changes, exercise, taking right medication on a consistent pattern. And this approach helps you to achieve a long-term health and well-being. So next time, if you're tempted to get that quick pleasure, remember, true happiness is about more than just feeling good in the moment. It's about creating a fulfilling and a meaningful life, just like taking steps to create a long-term health more than just short-term fixes. So this distinction between the pleasure and happiness is particularly important in the workplaces. Many graduates enter workforces seeking higher positions right away, expecting immediate rewards and recognition. But without the necessary education and experience, they often face frustration and demotivation within the first year or two of their job and quit, or get dissatisfied, frustrated, and react to people around them. Some may even resort to camouflaging their weaknesses, which can put their experienced colleagues in difficult position. The pressure to achieve quickly can lead to stress, anxiety, and decline in the overall job satisfaction, and also affecting the professional relationships around them. The key is to understand that career growth, like happiness, is a long-term process. Building skills, gaining experience, forming a meaningful professional relationships take time, but lead to a lasting satisfaction and success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more insights into mental health and happiness. Thanks for watching and stay curious, stay healthy. Signing off, Devi Sundar.